Tired of half restless nights and poor sleep due to the annoying snoring and obstructive sleep apnea? Hello, I'm Dr. Gloria Velez from International Smiles here in Medellin, Colombia. Let me introduce you the solution that you have been waiting for. This device has proven to reducing snoring and treating sleep apnea. We understand how frustrated it can be to deal with the negative effects of not getting restful sleep. Snoring not only affects the quality of your life, but the sleep apnea can have several health consequences. But don't worry, we are here to help you to improve your nights and the quality of your sleep. Mandibular advancement device, it will help you to have a better breath while you're sleeping. It has a lot of benefits to reduce the snore. Don't let sleep apnea and snoring control of your nights. Together we can make the difference and you can have like a wonderful sleep.